Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 13 of marching through my minis. I am bringing $8 a day in the month of March to put towards destashing and having fun saving money with some minis that I've had for a while. Some are new, but mostly I've gone through my stash and used one, and it's so fun to see ones that I haven't seen for a while. I'm mixing these up again because goodness gracious, number 3. Okay, so I think I did that enough. So let's put our $8 in our bank. So let's put our 5 up here and our 1s in the back. And it looks like we are starting on number 5. Dice tower ready. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are having fun saving money. I know a bunch of you are doing the marching through the minis with me, and I think that is so awesome. Hope you're having fun and saving money and maybe even doing a little destash of your own pile of awesome minis. So, all right, let's get started with number 5, and we'll roll a D3, and whatever number it is, 1, we will put that number of puff coins down. 6 is getting 3. 7 is getting 1. 8 is getting 3. And this adorable dashboard set comes from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. And I know Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner has a really cute set too. So you do not need this by any means. You can just write numbers on a piece of paper for, and just, oh, 3 got 1. Ooh. Okay. But yeah, you don't need any of this. I've been doing this for a while. I have a lot of the things. It's basically my hobby and now my business, YouTube and my website. So 5 is getting 3. So I have more things and I've been doing it for a few years, but if you're just starting, you 100% don't need any of this to get started. That can come with time. Just have fun. Save a little bit each month. See how much you can save, and maybe that'll motivate you to keep going. Look at us back at number 1. 1 and 2, and we have 3 left. And 2 are going to 2, and then that means 1 going to 3. So we know 3 can't get 3 50-cent pieces because it only has two of them. All right, so let's do a little scooching around. All right, number 1 has 75 cents. And number 1 is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Cutest little tiny. All right, so we can do 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. This will save us $4. And it looks like 2 got 75 cents. And this one, I believe, is from Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. And every space on my minis or tinies are 25 cents. And if I need to, I usually mark something off just so I have an even number. Okay, so we have 50 cents going into budgeting with Bree. Oh, we needed 75. So close. So 25 and 50, but that means we'll finish one tomorrow. That's exciting. Okay, and then number 4. Look at number 4 with $1. That's awesome. All right, this one is budgeting with Tiffany 26. It's gotten $1 the last 2 times. So I am going to color in the 4 circles orange, and I'll be right back. All right. That will save us $5. Looking forward to that one. Okay, so number 5 got 25.50. Okay, $1, 25. It got one of the 50s. All right, let's see. Oh, this is a new one we're going to start today. This is from DIY Budget on Etsy and Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. And we can do 5 pumpkins. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Perfect. Stuck on the paper. Goodness, 6. All right, 6 got $1.75. And oh, Hannah with prop budgets, the cute popcorn. Okay, so we have 4, 4, 4. Okay, so I want to make sure this was 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Number 6 got a lot. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. And number 7, oh, so close. We needed 75. All right. This one is from Maribel at Mint Dough. So we can do 25 and 50. So this one will be done tomorrow. That's exciting. And then number 8 got a bunch. Okay, so we have 50, 75, $1, $1.50 going into number 8. This one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Awesome. No finishes today, but we made great progress and set ourselves up for a few finishes tomorrow. So that's super exciting. So let's go back to our Too Cute to Pinch. Do a little mix up of our prop coins. Okay, and then, oops. And we are starting on number 5 tomorrow. So that is awesome. Thank you guys for hanging out. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.